This is a beautiful song. It was written in 1746, right after the Jacobite clans were crushed at Culloden. It was again written by a woman, and it's about what happened in the aftermath of Culloden. And probably the best version of this is by a band called Capercaillie. So if you can find a version by Capercaillie, I really don't do it justice. But, oh, Charlie Coig Stewart, Shedava Molea, okay, me, Charlie, Brisan Brian Mushio, Anangara and Tarin, Bigan Ria Molea, Shedava Shash Kalaja, Shilanan and Dio. Morum Gaelic, and that's Morum Gaelic, my fair young man, and the translation is effectively young Charles Stewart. You took everything you had from me, or I lost everything in your cause. But it's not cattle or sheep that I lament. It's the loss of my love, and it was written by a woman who lost her husband at the Battle of Culloden, which is the climactic battle of the rebellion where the clans are crushed. So a very sad song, but hopefully it was enjoyable.
Yeah.